Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to Stubhub. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to Stubhub. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is on the Stubhub website at www.stubhub.com, sign into your account in which you want to sell the tickets from. After you are properly signed in, I recommend you click on the category in which you will be selling your tickets. So find the singer, the concert, the whatever ticket you are going to sell, and open up its page first before you proceed. As you can see, let's pretend I'm gonna sell Bruno Mars tickets. All you have to do after opening up the page is select Sell at the top right corner of the screen. When you hover over Sell and then click Sell Tickets, you will be redirected to a page where you have to select the specific event tickets that you wish to sell. So find the specific location that you have. You can also change it to events, parking, VIP, and others. And after you find the specific one that you want to sell, click on See Tickets over here. So for example, I'm going to choose tickets for the 3rd of June on Las Vegas. You will be redirected to this page where you have to confirm the event that you want to sell tickets for and then select the amount of tickets that you have. So on the quantity, choose however many tickets you have, and then you all have to fill out all this information. As you can see, there are some preferences here that you can edit. If you click Edit these preferences, I recommend you take your own time to read through all these if necessary. However, it's very important that you go over here and you select Mobile Transferring. If you are transferring the tickets from Ticketmaster, you should be given the option to transfer later or I'm ready to transfer, which is the default and most used one. And then you will be able to choose the specific seats that you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretend I have these and then click Continue. As you can see, to finish the process, you will need to actually make the transfer and add a payout method. After you do, you will be able to list your tickets and transfer them over here. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to Stubhub. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.